Kumshibenta ka jing rakhi ka sanphos nam ka jing yo jilla bapura ka Meghalaya manta ka singi na kalyang ka tnat arts and culture kala panlong ka jing Plie paidbah jingtei jingshna bala panwandor ha state central library da kinong o dor bapau jo ka jilla hakani ka singi la dan lang menteri rangba ka jilla ukon rat ke sangma kumukong san harangkat ka jing senran lang usembut menteri rangba uprestun tensong bat kiwe habakran hakani ka singi menteri rangba ulaong.
As we have renovated the auditorium here, you are aware that we are doing the same for Tura Auditorium, and the Tura Auditorium also has been in the same shape as the Shillong Auditorium. Again, a place where we used to feel quite bad entering, but we had no choice. I hope that in the next couple of months, the Tura Auditorium also will be equally as good as this. We will be renovating. The renovation process is going on. Everything from centralized air conditioning to new chairs, just like what has been done out here. The Tura Auditorium also is being done, and we are working towards ensuring that other smaller district headquarters, like for example Joai, Nagar, Nongstoin, Rigoy, in these areas also we would like to in a phase-wise manner take up the renovation of the auditoriums in those locations. And so we are very keen to take that forward. Apart from the new ones that are coming out in different locations, there is one art and culture, in fact a museum that is coming up in the Tribal Research Institute at Babadang in Garo Hills. We are also very keen to renovate and upgrade the technology in the existing museums also, and has been mentioned by the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. We are in the process of doing the same for the Captain Williamson Sangma Museum here, and there's another museum next to it, so that both the process for that has been initiated, and we hope that soon we'll be able to start and complete the work in those areas also.